Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to the Orlando Science Center. All throughout the month of February, you might have heard a little bit about space, also astronauts. Well, we're going to take you through some astronaut tests here right at the Orlando Science Center. I'm joined by Mary. And Mary, what do we have in front of us?
We have some examples of what astronaut space gloves might look like. These aren't the real ones themselves, don't have that big
These
of a
aren't
button
truly
here.
authentic?
Not truly authentic, unfortunately, but they are very close to it. Astronauts do spend about 10 years training, and one of those big trainings that they have to do is being able to use their really thick and big gloves to do very fine skills.
Okay.
Here on Earth, picking up a quarter, not hard at all. Picking up a quarter in a glove might be a bit more difficult.
Okay, I'm up for the challenge.
You up for the challenge? We're going to attempt to put them in here. We're going to give ourselves a little bit more of a challenge. We'll give ourselves 2 minutes to do this.
Okay, we're on the clock.
You're going to start first. All right.
So are we doing it together?
Yeah, we're going to do it together. Astronauts work together all the time. We can go ahead and start. It's a little...
Right now. Oh my
right
goodness.
Now.
This is actually tougher than it looks, because I just want to slide it off the table,
I know.
right? So.
Spacesuits are the most important part of the mission. Realistically, they're what keep the astronauts safe. The gloves themselves are going to be, oh my gosh, extremely difficult to use. You got one?
There we go.
Oh no. Spacesuits help keep our astronauts warm as well as keeping our astronauts. Oh, well, that seems a little.
You got to work with what you got, you know? I already lost 25 cents, so there goes 15%
it's okay.
of the mission.
Oh my goodness. I can't get the last one. I'm going to give it to you. You got it. You're the mission specialist for this one. You'll go on all the spacewalks. Yay! We did it! High five!
We did not do it.
No. We did it. Astronauts get 10 years of training. We've had about 5 seconds to do this. I think we did an amazing job.
I still lost a quarter, so.
That's okay. It's okay. It's just 1 quarter. What's
it's out
one
there
quarter
floating in zero gravity right now.
It's fine. It's not going to hit anything. This is a very cool activity. You can do this at home if you have just a bunch of winter gloves. You can kind of layer them up if you have some coins laying around, anything that's small. Astronauts have to be able to, this is going to go off in any second, astronauts have to be able to tighten screws. They have to be able to move around while they're in space. There's a lot of stuff they got to do. Their spacesuits are their most important part, really.
Yeah, you never well, I think I underestimate the dexterity of just using my hands without any gloves. So this was a really hard task.
Now imagine it also has air in it and it's puffed up.
And then you're floating
like
around.
upside down.
Yeah.
Astronauts are a completely different kind of person. They can do anything, really.
Well, I'm glad that we got to step into an astronaut's shoes, or better yet, an astronaut's gloves today here at the Orlando Science Center. But we do have a lot of events going on throughout the month of February, and I hope to see you guys all here rather soon.